Morning everyone. Here am I again. Another beautiful sunrise in the isle of Madeira. And another hurried one. It seems that I'm hitting the jackpots all the time here. I'm being very lucky this time. And yeah, I don't think I need to explain much. Wow, it's been a really lucky few days. This is all to say that since you've seen this beauty, I'm gonna try since you've seen this, I have to take my window and I will talk later to you guys. But so far, I already got out of here with something. So, talk to you very soon.
The day started really well, with many of the reds, yellow and pink tones showing up during the blue hour already. It was still very dark, and since I was going for a deeper depth of field, I had to close down the aperture, which led to some motion in the leaves and water that was a bit too smooth for my taste. With sunrise becoming more intense, it was possible to shorten the shutter speed and get less motion on the water and leaves. Colors were becoming more and more intense by the minute. I didn't know yet, but it was just a matter of time for me to get the best shot of the day.
Me again. Now this is gonna be a proper good morning, right? Yeah. I arrived here around 6:20 or 6:30, something like this. And then I was checking on the app, like what is the time of the sunrise, of course. And then I saw that it was gonna be like start at 6:50 and then golden hour would extend until 7 something. But then when I was waiting in the car, setting up the tripods, doing everything that has to be done to come here, I started seeing that the color started way before. And the reason is that we have such a high clouds this day. And then when I was in the car, I saw that the high clouds, they were already catching color. And I kind of had to rush here and didn't do much B-roll and had to show the path a little bit in a rush. But then again, I can't complain because a sunrise like this, I mean, the last time that I was here, this is my second time in this spot, and I'm not I never managed to take such a good photo before. And it was always like low clouds and kind of murky and so on. But today we had everything. We had the good sunrise, the colors. We had time lapse. I got a nice foreground because, as you can see, it's really green now. When I came here before, it was very dry and not so nice. But today I can't complain. It's for sure. It's gonna be some portfolio quality thing for me. And yeah, so we got even spray like the ocean spray that I was getting. It was colorful because the sun was so intense. Like the colors were so intense that it was giving color to everything, to the foreground. Even the greens turned red because of the sky was so painted red today. The weather has been like fantastic for this. Like it hasn't been raining, and I kind of wish there was a little bit water during the night so it could, like, you know, give this give this coating to the greens. But you know, you work with what you have, so can't complain very much after this day. This has been fantastic, and this area is just amazing.
And finally, my third and favorite shot of the day. As you can see, the sky went completely crazy with colors, and with clouds catching so many different hues, it gives a different sense of structure and contrast compared to the previous shots. Because of more light, the sea is not completely smoothened out, making it possible for me to catch some waves crashing and perfect waterfalls. As I mentioned, the colors were so intense that even the greens were turning reddish. As a side effect of more light, there is no movement on the leaves, making it perfect foreground. All in all, this is my favorite shot of this day, and one that I will promote to the portfolio page of my website. Memorable sunrise with a stunning view and most incredible colors. What more can I ask? And as a bonus, I processed this last shot with all of the images I took from a time lapse. I took special care to smooth out both water and clouds. I also processed it in black and white. Which one do you guys prefer?
Right. I think that for today this is it. At least for this video. As I said before, I'm very satisfied with the way that things turned out, and I think the post-processing will be very simple. Because the heavy lifting was already done by Mother Nature, and the sunrise was just outstanding. So there's nothing to. I don't think there's much to be done. Yeah, but another thing. Let me know what you think of the photos. Again, I'm gonna make a poll out of them, and it's in one of the corners of the video. And it's always nice to know what you guys enjoyed and what not, and give and get constructive feedback, constructive only, and it's very nice. I'm very happy, and if you let me know which ones do you like. Yeah, all of the photos are going to be in the description box below. I'm trying to separate them from my portfolio already. Lots of mosquitoes.
Yeah, finally my little ZV1 gave up after so many time lapses and photos, right? But I will say here what I was trying to say there. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. It helps this little channel more than what you can imagine. See you guys next time.